Hey, what's up, geeks? So, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a debugger helper. Now, this will come in handy for pretty much any kind of API call or anywhere within your application where you need to do some kind of console logging for error handling. So, let's get into it. Within the root of my project, I'm going to create a file, and it's going to be called, guess what? Debugger helper. Now, I already created this file, so I'm actually going to read the code off that I have posted on another screen. Object is going to have a success function. We're going to have a warning function, and we're also going to have an error function. So first, we're going to create a variable, and that's going to be called success. Now, the thing about console log, at least for the most part of the way I've used console log, I just took the default styling, but it turns out you can apply a multitude of different types of styling to your console log. So that's what we're going to do right now in this in our variable. So I'm going to add our percentage sign success, and we're going to add our styling right here. So we're going to have our color. I'm actually going to make this backticks. The color for our success is going to be green. And then our font size, I'm so used to do styling the React Native way, it's kind of awkward for me. Our font size is going to be 12 pixels, and our font weight is going to be bold. Alright, so that looks good just like that. And I'm going to go ahead, because we need to make sure we can apply this styling to every one of our functions. I'm going to go ahead and create a style constant. So style, just paste that in there. I'm actually going to make this a function. And I'm going to pass in, we're going to say color is going to be our parameter. I'm going to reference color. All right, export default debugger helper. Okay, cool. So instead of having our styles here, we're just going to go ahead and reference our style. I'm going to pass in my color, which is green. Okay. Now I'm going to update this to lowercase because we're using a function. So, okay, cool. Now I'm going to go ahead and return another console log. Within our console log, we're going to reference our success variable. And next, after that, we're going to add our text parameter and pass in our text. Each one of these are going to have a text. Make sure I add that now. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy. I'm going to copy what we have right here for our console log of return. Now instead of referencing our success, we're going to go ahead and just reference our text right here. So pass in our text. And then next, we're just going to reference our style right here. And the color you want that to be is yellow. this. My error is going to be red. Alright, cool. Now, within my app.js file, I'm going to import use effect. I'm going to say use effect. Also, there's one more thing I need to go ahead and do. I'm going to go into my browser. I need to grab our sample API for this short example. So practice sample API. Based on my APIs, I'm going to grab this one I have for users. Go ahead and just grab this right here. My project. Make sure I bring in Axios, import Axios from Axios. I'm also going to import Debugger helper. Okay, cool. So say Axios .get. I'm going to pass in that API for users. Let's say .bin response. Error. I'm going to reference debugger dot error. I'm going to pass in our error dot message, and then from our response, same thing. Debugger helper. I'm going to pass in for success. I'm going to say response dot data. Okay, cool. Now, I'm going to turn on my debugger. Okay, so our success is the color that I want it to be. So that means that, what did I do? I left out the C. So yeah, even for our text, we gotta have like this little weird little C. So go ahead and grab that. Okay, cool. Try that again. Okay, cool. So I'm going to try that again. Fresh. Oh, now success is showing the right color. It's green. And then now I'm going to purposely mess up our API. Shape our device. Now you can see we have an error. It's a network error. And I actually like to add, this isn't necessary, but I mean, I like to add this. So I'll say error. Yeah, fresh. Okay, there we go. Now let me try it out. Fresh. Okay, you guys get the point. So we now have our error showing, and that's what I like to do. I like to have it showing the error. We get a big bold error on our screen, and then we know that things didn't go the way we want it to go. But you can see it. It's an error, networking error. It says it, and if I update it, it's going to obviously be green because we already saw it. Yeah. All right. So like, comment, subscribe, and I would definitely copy this code if I were you guys. I'll post a link to the GitHub, and you guys can just go ahead and do that. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.